Go ahead.
Thank you for the pocket cameras.
What are you going to do with them?
Take lots of pictures. Pictures, yeah. Yay!
Well, best of intentions. We had intended on them being in the crate and being all safe, and it's way too hot. So, you're out. You're out, aren't you? Yeah. No, Duke. Lincoln's back.
Nobody understands.
Hi, baby. It's been a day. Dirty clothes. Lots of poopies. The minute we got landed here, we got them in the tent and they pooped all over the inside of the tent before we could even get pads down. So we've got that taken care of. We spared the bed. They're in there eating right now. And this is where they're going to just hang out and play because they can't touch the ground. This is where they're going to hang out and play till after dinner. And then we will put them in the kennels and they will go in the back end of the pickup and we will be done. This is the chaos right now. There's your tent. Just throw it out. Lift up. Yep, that's right. I gotta go help them. That is puppy dirty clothes just from today. This is puppy rubbish just from today. This is Annabelle and Jake's tent, and he's got his shoes sitting here smoking or soaking in powder because he's becoming a teenage boy, and they really smell, and they're just a few days old. So there's that. And there's the puppy food. And there's the puppies.
Hermione. Hi, Hermione. Hi, Timbers. Hi, Ford Lincoln Mercury.
So the whole point here is for them to be able to be outside, get fresh air, run around. They've got a run space.
Rossi.
They've got...
Rossi.
they're out. They're like, we have had enough.
Oh, not Hermione.
Hermione. Oh, careful, girl.
Oh, she heard Daddy.
She did hear Daddy.
Did that wake you up? Yes. Hi, Ford Lincoln Mercury.
Little Lincoln.
Good boy. Hi, Cosmo. Oh, that's Amicus. Oh, look at you, Amicus. Look at you, Amicus. Yes, look at you.
He knows his name.
Look at you, boy.
Yes.
Yes. Amber, you little goofy boy. Rossi. Cosmo, you back there passed out, aren't you?
Yeah, he is.
So's Lyra.
He says, I'm done.
Lyra's out for the wind. You ain't gonna wake
Nope.
her up. We have an earthquake.
She got really mad today at one point, and she lit into Rossi and Hermione because the girls were just wrestling. She just wanted to sleep. Lyra was like, I'm done. I need a break. It was really hot today. I mean, really hot. And we abandoned it was 96 degrees in Hermiston. And every time we would stop to get out of the pickup, just for anything, it got extremely hot in the pickup. But having all these little bodies in the kennel was too much. And they were laying in there overheating. And I made the decision we're not going to have them in the crate when we travel. So we broke it down, and they traveled on blankets and in the seat with the kids. And we used wet rags and kept their bellies cool so that they stayed nice and cool. They've had a lot of water today. These puppies have drank 2 gallons of water by themselves today. So, crazy day, good stuff. Yeah, we're on the road again in the morning, 6 a.m. But we're camping in the Blue Mountains tonight. So, your puppy is camping without you. Sorry. They're enjoying it. Grandpa. One, go.
Duke. Come on. Come on. There you are. I know, huh? Huh? Be nice. Boy, you're in a mood.
Situation.